Number 10.
Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. The custom-made CVO aside, the Harley Davidson Road Glide Special is the brand's most well-equipped and expensive cruiser. The bike gets Harley's 1745cc Milwaukee 8 engine and is also equipped with features like a 6.5-inch infotainment screen and Bluetooth connectivity.
Number 9.
Kawasaki Ninja H2. The Ninja H2 Hypersport motorcycle for the 2019 model year gets a new intake system, ECU, tires, brakes and lot more. Grabbing the headlines, though it is 31 HP hike in power, the peak power figure is 231 HP. Torque is also up by 8.2 Nm to 141.7 Nm. The Hypersport motorcycle also gets a special self-healing paint job.
Number 8.
Indian Chieftain Elite. Limited to just 350 units worldwide, the 2018 Chieftain Elite features equipment such as premium audio system, custom seats and more. The motorcycle's unique Black Hills silver color scheme sports marble accenting and as per the company takes 25 hours to complete. The American bike makers claim that this accenting assures that no two Chieftain Elites look identical.
Number 7.
Indian Roadmaster. Roadmaster is Indian motorcycle's take on a cross-country cruiser. It gets a touchscreen ride command system, an electric front screen, adjustable footboards, keyless ignition, heated grips and heated seats. Indian Motorcycle also sold one unit of exclusive Roadmaster Elite for Rs 48 lakh last year.
Number 6.
Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon. If the H2 isn't exclusive enough for you, this is the bike that takes it up a notch or two. Dubbed the H2 Carbon, this bike has a carbon fiber upper cowl that adds to its visual drama. It is powered by the same engine fitted on the 2019 Ninja H2, which makes 231 HP and 141.7 Nm of torque. The H2 Carbon also gets the new intake system, ECU, tires, brakes and special self-healing paint job seen on the Ninja H2.
Number 5.
Harley Davidson CVO. This is the most expensive motorcycle sold by the company. CVO stands for Custom Vehicle Operations and the motorcycle exclusively gets the manufacturer's most powerful engine, the 1923cc Milwaukee 8117, along with heated seats, heated grips, an audio system, Bluetooth headsets, a color screen and keyless locking and unlocking.
Number 4.
Ducati Panigale 1299 Final Edition. The final lot of the last of Ducati's large displacement V-twin sports bike rolled out of the Borgo Panigale factory recently. Until the V4R was launched in India, the limited edition Panigale 1299 Final Edition was the most expensive Ducati for sale in the country. The final edition comes in a special tricolor paint scheme with red wheels, a titanium exhaust and an engine output of 209 HP and 142 Nm of torque.
Number 3.
Ducati Panigale V4R. The Panigale V4R is the homologated version of the already maniac Panigale V4. The 998cc motor is a derivative of the Ducati Demosedici GP Racer and churns out a whopping 221 HP and 112 Nm of torque. There is also an optional aftermarket racing exhaust system that bumps the power output to 234 HP at 15,500 RPM. At rupees 51.87 lakh, the Panigale V4R is one of the most powerful production motorcycle to go on sale in the country.
Number 2.
Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The maddest bike in the H2 stable is also the second most expensive bike on sale in India, and by a considerable margin. The numbers on the H2R are almost beyond belief. A stratospheric 326 HP and 165 Nm of torque, all from just a 998cc supercharged engine. The H2R, however, is a street legal motorcycle, primarily because it comes short with slick stickers, so buyers can use it only at the track. The 2019 Ninja H2R has been updated with Brembo Stylema brakes, the special self-healing paint job, and the new supercharged emblem on the engine casing.
Number 1.
BMW HP4 Race. Topping the list is BMW Motorrad's most exclusive production motorcycle, which at rupees 85 lakh is also the most expensive motorcycle on sale in India. What makes the elusive HP4 Race stand out in terms of look is its extensive use of carbon fiber. It's the first production bike in the world to offer a mainframe made entirely of the lightweight material, which weighs in at just 7.8 kg. The bike also features carbon fiber wheels that, along with 7.8 kg mainframe, helps the HP4 Race tip the scales at just 175 kg. The standard motorcycle weighs 208 kg. As expected, the bike features top-shelf cycle parts and the motor has been tuned to pump out 215 HP. The HP4 Race is understandably a track-only motorcycle and is in road legal.